What is up, guys? This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of one of the most famous of all Bordeaux wines that is produced in the Médoc on the left bank around the town of Saint Julien in the appellation of Saint Julien in Médoc, one of the classified groves of the 1855 classification of the wines of Bordeaux. We are looking at how to pronounce Château Léoville Las Cases, one of the best wines produced in Saint-Émilion. Château Léoville Las Cases. Note that the S at the end of Cases is definitely silent, so do not say Las Cases, but rather Las Cases. The S at the end of Las is not silent, so do pronounce it. Château Léoville Las Cases. Château Léoville Las Cases, Grand Cru classé. Château Léoville Las Cases. If you want to learn more about the wines of Saint Julien, here is a video about it. If you want to learn more about the classification of the 1855 wines from Bordeaux, here is another video about it. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye. Cheers.